Good morning, children. Today we shall learn the short ag sounds in CVC pattern. We will, we will review first the two letters that has a short A sound. Ba. Can you say it? Ba. Ka. Da. Ga. Ha. Ja. Ka. La. Ma. Na. Pa. Qua. Ra. Sa. Ta. Va. Ya. Za. All right, let's read the words having short ag sounds. As you can see, we already read the two letters ba, but now we're going to connect the k sound. Ready? Are you ready? Ready, go. Bag, gag, hag, jag, nag, rag, sag, tag, wag. All right, look at the pictures. This is a bag. Do you have bag? Hag. Have you seen a hag? Jag. Is there a jag in our country? Rag. Have you experienced using a rag? Tag. When we go to the stores, we see products with a tag. Wag. Your pets sometimes wag their tails. It's story time. Let us go and continue our story. The story is about the hag and a bag. The hag has a bag. This is the bag and this is the hag. A tag wags in it. The bag has a tag and it's wagging still. A rag has a jag. Can you see? Where is the jag in a rag?